Imagine a world high above the ground, a world of green leaves, twisting vines. This is the kingdom of the monkey. Monkeys leaping between branches, swinging through the canopy. Close up, expressive monkey face. These remarkable creatures move with incredible grace. They are incredibly intelligent. They are remarkably social. For millions of years, they've thrived in wild places. Their survival is a fascinating story, a tale of cleverness, cooperation, deep connection to their environment. Playful and curious, but mentally adapted for constant challenges. A daily dance of finding food, raising families, outsmarting predators. Monkeys are experts at making a home in all sorts of places. Most of them live in forests. The rainforest is a perfect monkey paradise. It is like a giant multi-level city just for them. The tallest trees form the canopy, a roof of leaves where sunlight is plentiful. This is where many monkeys, like the spider monkey, spend almost their entire lives. They swing through the branches using their long arms and prehensile tails as extra limbs. Below this is the understory, a shadier world of smaller trees and shrubs. Here, other monkeys find their niche, feasting on different plants, feasting on insects. The forest floor is the final level, a place few monkeys visit, as danger often lurks in the shadows. But not all monkeys are jungle dwellers. Take the Japanese macaque, often called the snow monkey. These hardy animals live in the cold, snowy mountains of Japan. To survive the freezing winters, they have developed a thick fur coat, and they have learned a remarkable trick. They spend hours bathing in natural hot springs, warming themselves up against the biting cold. The gelada monkeys of Ethiopia make their homes on high, rocky cliffsides. From mangrove swamps to dry savannas, monkeys have conquered a vast array of habitats. Finding enough food every day is a full-time job for a monkey. Finding enough food every day is a full-time job for a monkey. Most monkeys are omnivores, which means they eat a little bit of everything. The most common item on the menu is fruit. Monkeys are expert fruit finders. They can tell if a fruit is ripe by its color. They can tell if a fruit is ripe by its smell. They can tell if a fruit is ripe by giving it a gentle squeeze. They have fantastic memories, allowing them to remember where and when the best fruit trees will be ready for feasting. This knowledge is vital and is often held by the wisest, most experienced members of the troop. They will lead their family across vast distances to a tree they remember from the previous year. But life isn't always a bowl of cherries or mangoes. When fruit is scarce, monkeys must get creative. They will eat a wide variety of other foods to supplement their diet. Leaves, flowers, tender young buds, insects, spiders, small lizards, bird eggs. The capuchin monkey is famously clever. It has been seen using rocks as tools to crack open hard nuts and shellfish. Cracking hard nuts, cracking shellfish. The wild is a beautiful but dangerous place. For a monkey, staying alert is the difference between life and death. They are on the menu for a variety of predators, including eagles from the sky, leopards, jaguars, snakes in the trees. To survive, monkeys have developed incredibly sharp senses. Their large, forward-facing eyes give them excellent binocular vision. That lets them judge distances perfectly, crucial for leaping between branches. Hearing is just as important. The snap of a twig on the forest floor, the distant cry of a hunting eagle, enough to put the troop on high alert. Different monkeys have different alarm calls. A specific chatter, eagle, dive for cover. Monkeys drop to lower branches. A different bark, leopard, climb higher. They climb up fast. Sometimes the monkeys mob the predator, shaking branches and screaming until it leaves. Best defense, not being seen. Fur that camouflages with dappled light and shadows. Safe routes through the trees. A mental map of the territory. Sleeping spots chosen carefully. No monkey is an island. Their greatest strength lies in their community, which is called a troop. Living in a group provides safety in numbers. With many pairs of eyes on the lookout and ears on the lookout, it is much harder for a predator to launch a surprise attack. This social lifestyle is the bedrock of their existence. Within the troop, there is a complex social structure, often with a dominant male and a dominant female who lead the group. This hierarchy helps to keep order and reduce fighting, allowing the monkeys to focus their energy on finding food and raising their young. When searching for food, the troop spreads out but stays in contact through calls. If one monkey finds a bountiful tree, it will often call to the others to share in the discovery. Another incredible example of teamwork is grooming. It isn't just about staying clean. Grooming is the social glue that holds the troop together. It calms tensions and solidifies friendships. A mother monkey is the primary caregiver, but she is not alone. Other females in the troop often help, a practice known as allomothering. This gives the young monkey valuable social interaction and helps future caregivers learn. The troop has a collective memory of where the best food and water sources are. It has a shared defense system